Hello guys, review smartphone with shock resist body, Ulefone Armor 8. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB Intel memory in the black color device. Okay, and look complementation. Look in the box. We have key for SIM slot, protective glass for display, documentary, adapter for charging, and USB Type-C cable. Okay, and now talk about device. We have triple camera and LED on the back side, speaker. On the front side we have 6.1-inch display, front camera. On the left side slot for SIM cards and smart key. And volume keys, these volume keys. On the right side power key and fingerprint scanner. Downside USB Type-C port. Upside headphones jack. Okay. Turn on device. We have IPS display HD plus resolution, Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. 4GB RAM memory and 64GB Intel memory, MediaTek Helio P16 this CPU or MT6771, GPU Mali G72 MP3, resolution and display PPA. Okay, this processor is octa-core processor, CPU speed 1.5 and 2 GHz 4+4 cores. Look results. Okay. Close this and open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. Antutu score, we have 93 plays and these results. Okay. Run the minor game GTA San Andreas. Game works on the max graphic level and works good, without lags and glitches. Good gameplay. Okay, close this. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.